Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making chicken parmesan with some pasta. So here I have the chicken. I have already cleaned it. I'm shaking it up in some breadcrumbs. And then I have on the other side here, it's going a little fast here. I had speeded it up a bit for you guys. Chicken is in the egg. I'm going to saturate that on both sides. Going to put it inside the Ziploc bag with the breadcrumbs and season it and shake it around a bit. And I have the oil already inside the frying pan, whatever pan that you want to use. You can even bake this. And I'm going to place it inside the pan. I have some olive oil, some avocado oil that I'm using at the moment. Whatever oil that you prefer, whatever oil suits you in your household, whatever oil that you would like to use, you are free to use. And I have 2 pieces inside the pan. I might put a few more pieces just depending on the size. Now I have some water for my pasta. I'm setting up in the back of the stove, turning that on. I am turning and flipping my chicken. See that golden brown there? That's what you want. Pressing it down a bit just so it can actually get done. It's time to take them out, so I'm just plating them at this point. There you go. They look nice and golden, ready to eat. So now I'm gonna put some more oil inside. I am going to use my Barilla spaghetti to put inside of the boiling water in the back burner. What I like to do is break them up. So you're going to see me here breaking them up in half. And I had already put some oil inside the water, as you can see there at the top. Breaking up some more pasta, some more spaghetti. You can use whatever pasta you want. I just put spaghetti because that's what I wanted at the time. I went to go clean out that frying pan a bit, and I'm going to put my sauce, take it off the flame because it was kind of splattering a bit. And I'm going to put some more in. It's to however much pasta you have, however much sauce that you want for your need. I'm going to let that cook some. And then I have my seasoning. I'm going to go in with my black pepper. I'm going to go in with some parsley. I think that's parsley. I'm going to go in. Yeah, that was parsley. This is the black pepper. I'm going to turn the flame down a bit because, like I said before, it was splattering. The sauce was splattering all over the stove. I have some garlic and parsley there. I'm going to sprinkle in the sauce. You just want to season it a bit to give it some flavor, give it some taste. At this point, you could just put in whatever you like to put, however you want your sauce to taste. You can season it. You don't have to season it. You could just keep it from the jar, keep it from the can, whichever type of sauce you're going to use. I also have put some cheese in mine. I had also put some spinach, which is here. Some fresh spinach I had put in. And I just took about 2 handfuls. Because we like spinach, especially the fresh spinach like this. We'll eat it with salad. And we'll eat it without dinner. So I was just gradually throwing some spinach in the frying pan with the sauce. And you guys will see later on what else I decide to put in the sauce. I am going to stir it up a bit. As you can see, I'm just going to incorporate everything, make sure everything gets coated. Continue stirring. Turn down the flame some more. And I have my cheese. Now I'm going to go in with some Parmesan cheese. That was Parmesan before the mozzarella cheese that you see here in my hand. So I have Parmesan mozzarella cheese inside of this sauce mixture. Like I said, you could put whatever you want to put inside your sauce. You can make it taste however you like for it to taste for you and your family. You can adjust whatever it is here that I have done. That's what I like about cooking. You can make it to suit you and suit your household. However you want certain things to taste. You don't just have to go by what I have here. But you can always add, or you can take out, or you can keep it the same. So I'm just checking the pasta back there, as you've seen, making sure that didn't overcook, making sure that's good how it's supposed to be. And I'm going to add my chicken back inside of the sauce. I'm going to coat the chicken with the sauce and the spinach, a bit. Just gonna coat the chicken pieces, making sure everything is coated, everything is covered. All of the pieces of the chicken are covered. And here I'm gonna top it off with some more mozzarella cheese, because we love cheese. Some more of the oregano parsley flakes. Some more sauce. I just added a little bit more. I'm going to leave you guys, and I'm going to come back towards the end of the video. Okay, guys, so now the water is drained out of the pasta. So now I'm going to plate everything. I'm going to pour the pasta out into my plate here, as you can see. And there you have it, guys. A nice, quick, and easy meal. It's so beautiful. I love the spinach on top. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel because it helps my channel to grow. Turn your post notifications on. Put down what you like to see next. Thank you. Bye.